here at PTP Gun, and today I'm going to show you the disassembly and reassembly of this Walther P22. First step of taking apart any firearm is to make sure that the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead and hit the magazine release right here, just by the trigger guard, and drop that magazine. We're also going to go ahead and then we're going to double check, make sure that the chamber is clear. Lock slide to the rear, chamber is empty, magazine is out. We are good to go ahead and proceed with our disassembly of the P22. We're going to send the slide back home, and this black takedown device, we're going to pull that down. Right? Pull it down. Now we're going to go ahead and lift, then we're going to bring the slide back and up and off of the frame. So bring it back, up, and off of the frame. And then here you'll find the spring and the spring guide. Now the barrel in this stays attached to the frame. Right? So we have our barrel and frame all in one. We have our slide. We have our spring and spring guide. Right? From here you can do any type of cleaning and maintenance you need to do to the firearm. Once you have that complete, it is then time to go ahead and reassemble. To reassemble, I'm going to show you a trick. Otherwise, it's very difficult to do to get it matched up. So I found this trick, and I want to go ahead and share it with you all today. All right, what you're going to do first is you're going to start by feeding the spring into the spring guide into the spring. You're going to pull that all the way through, right, and have it coming out the other end. All right, you're going to capture it like that. All right, once you have it like that, you're going to start this into the slide. You push it through, just like that, and grab a hold of that. Right? Now you're going to go ahead and mount that to the frame and let that go so it can feed into its proper spot. Once you have that, then you can go ahead and bring the slide all the way back and down, back forward, and then re-engage that takedown device. I'm going to go ahead and do a function check. All right, we'll go ahead and pull the slide back a couple times. All right, and with this gun, you actually can't pull the trigger all the way until you have a magazine inserted. So we're going to take an empty magazine, insert that into the firearm. All right, and we're going to pull the trigger. Pull the slide back a few more times. Pull the trigger. I'm going to do a function check with it on safe and fire. All right. And with this gun also, when you pull the slide back, right, on an empty magazine, and you don't mess with the slide release or slide catch at all, it'll lock to the rear. That is the disassembly and reassembly of this Walther P22. For more videos on how to take apart your various handguns, rifles, and shotguns, be sure to find us on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at PTPGun. Thank you all again. Appreciate you all. You continue support. And remember to stay safe and to train to survive.